Hello everyone, this is Amy. Taking a loud phone call or chatting excitedly on public transit in general is pretty common back home. But on a Seoul subway train, keeping things beautifully quiet shows a wonderful touch of care. It's not about code rules or strict enforcement. It's simply a natural shared respect for everyone's personal space after a long day of work or study. When you step inside a subway car, you'll notice that the train cabins are incredibly peaceful, with most commuters reading, listening to music, or resting quietly. A major detail to keep in mind is the priority seating located at the very ends of each carriage. Let's practice the native name for these priority seating areas together. Listen closely. Noyak Jaseok. Repeat after me. Noyak Jaseok. The most important neighborhood habit to know is that even if the train is completely packed and these specific seats are entirely empty, locals will deliberately leave them open. Sitting in them as an able-bodied traveler breaks a kind, unspoken collective code. Instead, keeping these spaces clear and stepping aside to keep the doors fluid is a fantastic way to handle your commutes with total confidence. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart, talk happy. See ya!